Michael with Gary's Heating and Air, and I'm on a FSE, which is a repair call, a non-club member, where the capacitor is swollen, about to explode. This is what starts your compressor and your fan, and this is one of the many things that we look at when we're on our club inspections for our preferred club members. This could have been prevented from, could have been caught during one of our inspections, so then you wouldn't have to deal with an AC not working. Also, the condensed coil is pretty beat up by hail, just something that we do notate. And then also got a little bit of buildup on this side, which can be washed away during our club inspections. Just some of the benefits of being a club member.